Zesty orange honey marmalade. Let's get 6 medium oranges. Put them under running water and let's wash them with a little bit of baking soda and tiny bit of soap. Baking soda is essential if your oranges are not organic. They clean all the toxins from the oranges. Soak them for at least 3 minutes, then wash them and dry them. Cut them in the manner that you see. While peeling them, try not to break the peel. Different oranges have different thickness of the white substance. It's called the pith. You can take out the pith using a spoon. The pith is full of fiber. It has a little bit bitter taste, but I don't mind it. But here I'm showing you how to take it out. If you don't mind it, you can just leave the pith in and continue with the recipe. When done, pile the orange peels in the manner that you see. Cut them very thin horizontally. Let's get the oranges and cut them in a bowl. And then we can squeeze them inside the bowl. Don't worry about how much you are squeezing the juice out of the oranges. When done, put the coriander inside the glass bowl and separate the juice from the oranges. We're gonna boil now the juice. As for the rest of the orange, we're gonna put it in a cheesecloth, close on it, and dip it inside the juice. If you don't have a cheesecloth, you can use any light cotton cloth. Close it in the manner that you see, and let's dip it inside the pan. So now let's measure. 4 cups of orange juice and 3 cups of orange peel. If you have different measurements, that's fine, continue. Turn on the heat to medium heat. Measure the height of the juice that you have and double it with water. We're gonna boil it until it reaches back to the original size. I have 4 cups of juice and I'm adding 8 cups of water. Now it's time to take the cheesecloth and dip it inside the juice. Secure your cheesecloth and push the juice inside it. And make sure the juice is above that cheesecloth. When it boils, close the lid. Make sure to fix the cheesecloth so the lid is closed properly. After 5 minutes, open the lid and follow what you see. We're trying to extract as much as possible from the pectin and the fiber of what remains from the oranges. After around 10 minutes, we take out the bag, extract as much juice as we can from it, and then discard it. Keep the orange juice boiling on the heat and add 1/2 cup of honey or any natural sugar that you like and mix well. Keep it boiling for around 2 hours or until 2/3 of it evaporates. You can stop at this stage or let's add some gelatin paper to thicken it. You can add between 2 and 6 small gelatin paper. Take out small amount of marmalade in a small bowl. Add to it the desired amount of gelatin cheese. Make sure it melts and then pour it back into the marmalade. Mix well and keep boiling for another 10 minutes. Now it's ready. Pour them into sterilized jar. Close the lid and put them upside down. This process will seal the jars If any juice came out of the jars, it means that the jar is not sealed. When they cool down, put them in the fridge or in the pantry. They will last for at least 4 months.